हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल डीके ट्यूटोरिंग। लास्ट सेशन में हमने सेट्स जो कोर डेटा टाइप का लास्ट पार्ट था वो कवर किया। तो आज हम एक छोटा सा पार्ट देखेंगे, लाइक इफ यू वांट टू स्प्लिट द डेटा। ओके, तो मैं यहाँ पे आइडल ओपन करूंगी और मैं यहाँ पे कमेंट करके लिखूंगी डेटा स्प्लिटिंग that we are going to discuss. Okay, so now suppose I am defining one string here. str stands for string, and I just write one statement as introduction of Python from basics. Okay, now I want to split this data. I want to split a sentence into different words. I'll take one list here. List equals to str dot split small brackets. So this one is another string method. Now print list here. See, it has splitted all the whole statement into different words. Introduction of Python, then from, and last one is basics. So here I get 5 different words. But now if I write like this, I just copy this statement as it is and paste here. And I want to do the minor changes. I just give dot at the place of space. Okay, like this. I just give here dot. And in this case, if I write like this, just copy this and paste here and print list. So you can see it is taking as a single element. It is not taking as 5 different elements here. So by default, when you don't pass any value here, so it will divide according to space. So in our statement, there is no space. That's why it has taken single element here. Okay. Now if I write this statement like, I just copy this statement as it is and paste here and just give here space lectures. Okay, just write str dot split small brackets. So in this case, I am getting 2 elements. You can see. So by default, it is split by space. Now I want to split it by dot. Just write this statement. Okay, just copy this and I want to split it by dot. So just write here dot. Okay, so you can see now I am getting 5 elements. अगर मैंने डॉट की जगह पे डॉलर दे दिया, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे डॉलर लिख दिया, so you can see here I get output like this. So this is all about how to split the data. It is splitting in the form of list. Okay, अगर सपोज हमारे पास ये डेटा है, ओके, अगर हमारे पास ये डेटा है एंड आई वांट टू ज्वाइन दिस, मुझे इसको ज्वाइन करना है. सो लेट अस टेक माय लिस्ट हियर इक्वल्स टू दिस. ओके, एंड प्रिंट माय लिस्ट. सी, now I want to join this data. I want to merge this data. I just write data equals to, in between double quotes, I just give here space dot join. I want to join my list. Okay, and data. So now see, by space the data has been joined or merged. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे कॉमा दे दिया, मैं ये कॉपी करती हूँ एंड जस्ट पेस्ट हियर, एंड अगर मैंने इस केस में यहाँ पे कॉमा दे दिया, देयर विल बी कॉमा आफ्टर एवरी वर्ड्स. सी, ओके, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे अंडरस्कोर दिया, just give here underscore. So what it will do, there will be underscore, you can see here. So whatever you will give here, that will be added here after every words. So I hope this splitting and joining is clear with you. That's all is our today's part. अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है, कोई पार्ट आपको नहीं समझा, तो आप इस बात को क्लियर कीजिए. You can ask your doubt in comment box, or you can ask me in the Telegram group also. The link is in the description. So guys, meet you in next video. Goodbye and enjoy learning.